Credit card sign-up bonus offers are the #1 way to earn an insane amount of points in a very short amount of time. So in this video, we'll be breaking down the 7 highest sign-up bonus offers right now in the credit card world that will benefit both the beginners and the veterans in the credit card game to help you put more points in your pocket throughout the new year. The first credit cards that I want to talk about today is none other than the twins from Chase, the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex. If you don't know by now, the public sign-up bonus offer is $200 cash back after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, plus 5% cash back on grocery store purchases, excluding Target and Walmart, for up to $12,000 spending cap in the first year. This sign-up bonus offer, if you're able to complete that $12,000 spending cap, is worth $800 or 80,000 ultimate reward points. This sign-up bonus offer is the same for the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. However, what if I told you that there's another sign-up bonus offer that no one has really talked about? If you go over to slickdeals.net, a website that highlights discounts across anything that you'll ever need to buy, they have a credit card section where they list sign-up bonus offers for a variety of credit cards. One of these credit cards is the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and the sign-up bonus offer is a bonus of 1.5% cash back on all purchases for up to $20,000 in the first year of account opening. The sign-up bonus offer is only worth $300 cash back. However, you do earn elevated ways to earn options for the entire year. That's 6.5% cash back on travel booked through Chase instead of the original 5%, 4.5% on dining and drugstore purchases instead of the original 3%, and 3% cash back on all other purchases instead of the original 1.5%. I can definitely see some people viewing this sign-up bonus offer as a less complicated one. However, given that its earning potential is drastically lower than the original sign-up bonus offer, I still recommend that you get the $200 sign-up bonus offer plus the grocery store kicker. Next, Resy.com has some exclusive sign-up bonus offers for the American Express credit cards that are the best sign-up bonus offers out there. The Resy.com sign-up bonus offer for the American Express Platinum card is 100,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, plus 10x points back at restaurants worldwide on up to $25,000 in purchases during your first 6 months of account opening. Comparing that to the current sign-up bonus offer of 80,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, it's leagues better. The American Express Platinum card is American Express's most premium travel credit card that earns you 5x back on flights, 5x back on hotels, and then 1x on everything else. It also gives you over $1,500 in free things such as $200 in hotel credit, $240 in digital entertainment credit, or $100 in Saks Fifth Avenue credit, and access to thousands of airport lounges across 130 plus countries worldwide. The Resy.com sign-up bonus offer for the American Express Gold Card is 75,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, plus 20% cash back as a statement credit on purchases made at a restaurant worldwide for up to $250 back in your first 12 months of account opening. Comparing that to the current sign-up bonus offer of 60,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, again, the Resy.com sign-up bonus offer is leagues better. Plus, the American Express Gold Card is American Express's foodie credit card that earns you 4x back on restaurants and groceries for up to $25,000 per year, 3x on flights, and then 1x on everything else. Moving on, the United Club Infinite card has a limited time sign-up bonus offer of 100,000 bonus miles after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. The historical max sign-up bonus offer for this credit card is 125,000 bonus miles, so this sign-up bonus offer is extremely close to that. Some of the benefits that this card provides is United Club membership, which gives you access to over 45 United Club locations, Copa Clubs locations, and participating Star Alliance affiliated airport clubs worldwide. You also get free first and second check bags for you and one companion, which could save you up to $320 per round trip. You also get Avis President's Club status, which gets you rental car upgrades and expedited rental services, as well as IHG Rewards Platinum Elite status. The next credit card that we'll be talking about was named the best overall credit card of 2022, and that's the Capital One Venture X credit card. It currently has a sign-up bonus offer of 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. This premium travel credit card earns you 10x back on hotels and car rentals via Capital One Travel Portal, 5x back on flights via Capital One Travel Portal, and then 2x on everything else. This premium travel credit card also grants you access to Priority Pass lounges, Capital One's own premium airport lounge network, $300 in annual travel credit, and 10,000 bonus miles every card anniversary, making it an essentially free premium travel credit card. The Advantage Aviator World Elite Business MasterCard has a limited time sign-up bonus offer of 80,000 Advantage bonus miles and a $95 statement credit after spending $2,000 within the first 90 days of account opening. This card earns you 2x back on American airline purchases, office supplies, telecom, and car rental merchants. You also get free first check bag as well as a companion certificate that's good for one guest at $99 after spending $30,000 or more on eligible purchases. And finally, the IHG Rewards Premier Credit Card has a new card member offer of 140,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, plus earning $100 statement credit and 10,000 bonus points after you spend $20,000 in a calendar year. This $99 annual fee hotel credit card earns you 26x total points at IHG Hotels and Resorts, 5x on travel, dining, and at gas stations, and then 3x points on every dollar spent. You also get a reward night for free after every account anniversary, and also a 4th night free when you redeem 3 nights with points. Alright, that just about wraps up this video. I hope everyone had a happy new year and are ready for 2023. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.